Check out this Dodge 2019 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are tires, 235/55 R18 AS Performance, STD, wheels, 18-inch x 7.5 inches cast aluminum, STD, black houndstooth cloth sport seats, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 50, included, auto-stick automatic transmission tip start auto leather-wrapped shift knob, Sirius satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 800-643-2112, quick order package 2 EASXT rear-wheel drive included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 50, white knuckle clear coat, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT.